Hello everyone, welcome to our video session. So let's draw different kinds of birds in our video. I'm going to the first diagram I'm going to draw is a beautiful hen. So here I'm drawing the beak and then the eyes and the head of the hen. A bird's required a feathers. Without feathers a bird cannot live. So here I'm drawing an important feature of a bird, that is a feathers, and then I'm drawing a leg that has been drawn with different features. So let me put some shades to the beak, that is red color, and then I'm gonna shade with the yellow color and green and blue and pink. So let's move on. So here I'm drawing the feathers and then a leg and then a beak and then a feathers is being drawn and an eyes is being drawn. So it's holding a flower. So let me put some shades to it with a beautiful bird with an yellow color shade and shade all over the bird features that has been shaded. So here's a beautiful bird holding a flower with a green leaf. So let's move on. So here I'm drawing and see, and then feathers is being drawn, a leg is being drawn, and then an eyes is being drawn. Here a beautiful peacock hen is being drawn. Let's move on. Again, I'm drawing a beak and the feathers and the head is being drawn. Let's draw the eyes. So after the eyes is being drawn, I need to draw the body. So hen is also called as a chicken, where most of the people eat a chicken, which is one of the favorite features and the tastiest food that people likes it. I mean to non-veg people. And then here's a beautiful hen that is very pretty to look. So I'm drawing a leg and then a leg has been drawn. So let me put some shades to this with a hand. I'm drawing an hand using a posture of hand. I'm drawing the hair and the head and the beak and the eyes is being drawn. So egg is being laid by an egg. So let me put some shades with the red color and the gray color and then shaded with eggs hen. So here I'm drawing one more feature of a bird with the beak and then the body. It is standing on the wood. So let me draw the wood, shade them with the green color and the brown color. So let's move on. Here I'm drawing two arts, okay? Then I'm drawing the feathers of the two arts, drawing the face. So I need to draw an eyes and the beak. Here's a beautiful bird that is been watching together. So here's a beautiful bird and then it is standing on a tree. So a wood, it has been standing on the tree. So let's move on. So here again a duck is being drawn and then beak is being drawn and then a eyes is being drawn. Here's a beautiful duck. So let's move on. So again a big beak lips is being drawn and the head is being drawn. So here and feathers of a hen with the flowers that has been drawn. So let's connect the feathers to the body and then let's draw the leg slowly. So eyes is being drawn. So here's beautiful hen that has been drawn with a flower kerchief. So let's move on. So again a bird is being drawn. So first a big beak is being drawn and the head of the hen and the nose is being drawn and the eyes is being drawn. So after the beak diagram, let's draw the hen's features with the feathers and then a body with a leg. Here's an hen picture that is standing. So it's a standing picture of an hen with the feathers of 3 direction. Thank you.